Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you a React.js package which is useful for displaying this input field for receiving phone numbers. So you can see that this is actually the field that you will be receiving. So we have this number input field with international country code. So you will see the flags will also be displaying of each country. And here from this select field, you can select any country number and you can input. The user may enter any number and they can select the country. Here you will see that. So this is actually the select component specifically designed for React.js application. I will show you in this video. There is a certain package, so whenever you write the number, it will be showing right here. So the name of the package is React Phone Input 2. So if you just go to npmjs.com, just search for this package. Just search here React dash phone dash input dash 2. So this is actually the package. So it is almost got 360,000 weekly downloads. It's a popular package, and this is actually the command. So I've already installed it, so I will just show you a very basic example. So now to get started, just make a very simple functional component, and for including this component, we just need to write the import statement and import phone input, and it will be coming from this package React phone input dash 2. And also we do need to import the CSS file of this package as well for just designing purpose. So it has its built-in CSS file as well. So React phone input dash 2, and inside the lib folder we have the style.css file. So we are just including this file as well. You will see that using the import statement. Now to display that input field, first of all we need to declare some two state variables. First of all, for keeping track of which phone number the user will write, so we will have a one variable for this. So we'll be using the useState hook of React.js. Initial value will be nothing, and secondly we'll be also be showing the phone number, full phone number, alongside with the international code as well. So for that we will have a simple variable. Again, we'll be using the useState hook. So these two variables we have declared, and now to actually show that component, just go to your JSX, and right here inside the parent div I will just give it a simple padding of 20 pixel, and inside this we will render this component. So the name is phone input, and it actually takes some options, properties you can pass. First property is the country code, so two digit country code that you need to pass to this component. So US basically is US, United States, IN for India. So depending upon your country, you need to pass the two digit letter country code. Secondly, the actual phone number, and you will be binding this phone variable that we have declared early on. So if you just refresh your application and just go, you will see this input field appearing, and it's a ready-made input field where the user can only be writing numbers. You can't write integers right here. So the user can only write number, and as you write the number, it will be converted to the appropriate format, and you will also see this current this flag appearing as well of a particular country. So all these international codes are specifically designed for each countries that you have. Can the user may select whichever country of your choice, and that international code will be applied to the number automatically. So in this way, the user can select from this drop down. So it is ready-made available inside this component. So now the thing is that if you want to capture the number that the user has entered, we can simply bind an onChange event handler. So this function will automatically execute whenever the user has finished typing the number. So inside this function, we will execute this hook function. So whatever the value is entered by the user inside this input field, we will capture this and store this inside this function, and we will be storing it inside this phone variable. So similarly, it also have a on blur event handler as well. So whenever you lost the focus from the input field, this on blur function will like execute, and here we'll be storing this actual phone number which the user has entered. So inside, using this function set display phone, so I will just display this number at below this input field. So whatever the number has entered by the user, so we can simply display this simply inside this paragraph tag, just telling the user that you have entered this number. So very simply we are displaying it in the paragraph tag, simply this variable display phone. So now if you refresh the page, if you write any number, you will see selected phone number which will appear alongside with the country code as well. So in this way you can write any number, and it's very much easy, specifically if you're designing an application which involves taking the user input, their phone number, then it's a very good component specifically designed for React.js application. You can try this and install it. I've shown you complete step-by-step instruction. And thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.